G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Just a quick video showing you all my GoPro accessories and bits and pieces that I've bought over the last couple of months for my trip overseas to Greece. Now in the background here we've got a case which is an XCD Ballistic case. It's an action camera case. It's not an actual GoPro brand. And it's got little compartments. Everything that you see in front of you goes into this case. It's a hard case. It's water resistant, not waterproof, so it's quite handy to put all my gear in there. Now on the right here we've got a quick clip. Now this clip attaches your GoPro camera onto a cap or a part of your clothing or a strap of your backpack. So basically the camera gets attached underneath the clip there, or the clip goes underneath the camera I should say, and that gets clipped onto your clothing. That's a head strap which I've never used. You can, it's like a miner's lantern on top of their head. So basically your GoPro sits on your head. Now I've actually mounted it on top of my cap. I haven't put it on just on my head, but one of these days I'll take a video with it on, I'll use it. Floating handle, that's if you're in the water, so if you drop your GoPro in the water it will float, it won't sink to the bottom. A couple of extra spare batteries there, and my latest addition which I bought yesterday was this Shorty tripod, which is fantastic. So if I'm going to make a video inside or a vlog, it's handy to keep the camera steady. Otherwise, you know, you'd have to put it on something flat so it doesn't move around. Great for time-lapse. Also with this one you can actually close the legs and use it as a Shorty handle, so it's great, discreet, it's not very heavy, and it's actually quite good in the hand. The other thing with this Shorty tripod is it's telescopic, as you can see there. Now it's going to be out of picture because it's too tall. As you can see, it extends to about 20 odd centimeters, so if I want to take a selfie, it's actually really good. So it takes it away from you a bit and you can be in shot a lot better, which is fantastic. Now prices vary for all these products. Now I'll go through really quickly what they are. Now these prices will be in Australian prices. Okay, so I'll just put this back down so we don't drop it. Okay, the camera itself, the GoPro Hero 7 Black, is $599. The XCD Ballistic case was $29. The floating handle was $38. The batteries each are $35. The head strap and the quick clip were in a kit together, like a package, and they were $35 for two. So everything all up would roughly be around the $800 mark for whatever you see in front of you there. So this will be probably my main camera overseas, and it'll be handy because I can pretty much take it anywhere, and you know, it's nice and small. Now I'm looking at probably upgrading to a Canon G7X Mark II. I don't know yet if I'm going to get it, but if I don't, then this will be my main camera overseas. And that's pretty much it. If you've got any questions or any comments, place them below. Feel free to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on that bell icon to get notifications, and enjoy your day. Thank you. Okay, here we have all the gear in the case, just showing you everything. So we've got the floatie handle up the top, we have the camera in the middle there, batteries to the left of it, the head strap to the right of the camera, and then down below here we have the in there the Shorty telescopic tripod and the charging cable for it, and there's the quick clip there, and that case just closes over the top, and you've got zips on either side, and pretty much everything sits inside it, and it's pretty good.